my YouTube channel. If you guys want to know how I installed this flawless lace frontal wig, keep on watching and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Let's get into this, okay? First, we're gonna start with this dome cap. It's just one that I always use. And the beauty spot store is just open, so I had to grab a whole bunch of them because ain't no telling. And I refuse to go another quarantine without my hair being done, even though I can't go nowhere. So I got my dome cap, and first I'm going to lay my edges down with some Gots to Be glue. So I'm gonna put on a little bit like this over my ears, like that. A little bit like that. I got a little head, so this was a large dome cap. So put on just like that, and then you're gonna use your blow dryer and your Gots to Be glue free spray. My baby's almost gone, and you're just gonna spray a little bit where your hairline is, basically. I don't want to spray too much or be too heavy-handed on the Gots to Be glue spray, but I just spray it like along my natural hairline, just like that, all the way down to my ear. And I like sideburns, but I'm probably not gonna do sideburns with this look. And then you're just gonna get your blow dryer, and we're just gonna blow dry it out. Now that my dome cap is pretty dry, because when I tug on it right here, it's really hard. So I'm just gonna cut little holes right here in my ear. I'm just gonna cut out little holes. Okay, now that I got both my ears out, I'm just gonna spray it a little bit more on the side, just so we can get that flat install on the side. I'm just gonna cut right down the middle. And I'm gonna just peel it back just a little bit. A little bit more, so I have a lot of room for error, like right here. It's a little bit too close to my eyebrow. So I'm just gonna peel it back just a little bit. I'm just gonna cut. That's perfect for me. Both sides look symmetrical. So next, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use just one of my brushes and a contour palette from Anastasia Beverly. I don't really use this one because I have another one. So as y'all can see, I normally use this one and it's almost gone, just to color in my dome cap so it looks more of a natural skin tone. Alright, so as you guys can see that my bald cap method is blended in. I cleaned it up along the hairline so it's not as messy and sticky when I go back in and I put down the glue. So I'm going to be using this wig that was made by my hairstylist Naomi with hair from my company called the Yanni Collection. I'm gonna leave the link down below where you guys can order this hair. It is 26 inches of raw Indian hair, and I just dyed it jet black because it was really brown because it's raw hair and it's a natural brown color, and I wanted jet black long hair. So I'm going to use this wig and I'm going to be installing this. Okay. Alright, so I'm just going to check it and everything looks pretty good to me. My ear under there. You can't see the cap anymore. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut the edges where my ears are. Alright, so I cut both of my ends, ears or whatever. I cut up both of my ears out that you guys can see. And I might just go back in and tailor a little bit with my scissors just to get a little bit. Just to get that little bit of extra lace right there. But that's neither here nor there because it's gonna be. We're gonna start with gluing, and what I'm gonna be using is, excuse me, it's got, what is this, Ghost Bond. I've been using this for a little minute and it works well on my skin. It doesn't break my skin out or nothing like that. I'm just going to do my hair like that. So, because like I said, I don't really want sideburns, so this works perfect for me. Alright, so I'm not gonna cut this side yet. I'm gonna work on this side. So what I'm gonna do is use the end of my rat tail comb and the glue, and I'm just gonna go in and fix any little gaps that I don't like. But as you guys can see, it's very natural. It's like a natural hairline for me. And I'm gonna do like a little bit of baby hairs, but probably not so much, because like I said, my hair is going to be a middle part, so you're not going to see this side basically. So all right, so as you guys can see, you can't see the lace at all. It looks very natural. I'm probably gonna pluck it just a little bit more to my liking, but my stylist Naomi, she definitely did that with this wig, with tinting it and, you know, getting it to the right color for my head and the band for my head so that it's a snug fit. So y'all, so I curled this hair, and this is 28 inches or 26 inches of raw Indian hair from the Yanni collection, and I dyed it jet black. And as you can see, this hair is melted, and I did do a couple of baby hairs here at the top, and I'm loving this hairstyle. You know, we about to get off quarantine, so you know I had to do a little something to my hair. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give this video a thumbs up. If you guys have any tips or tricks, leave them down below in the comment section, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you guys. See you next video.